Hello guys, welcome to the Topper Hub. Today we are going to see 11 Science Mathematics Part 1, Maharashtra State Board, Exercise 1.1, question number 2. So the question is, convert the following angles into radian. First example is 85 degree. Let's start our solution. See, we know that to convert, we know that x degree is equals to x into pi upon 180 radian. To convert degree measure into radian measure, we have to multiply given angle by pi upon 180. So here we have given that 85 degree, which is equals to 85 into pi upon 180 radian. 5 ones are 5, 3 carry, 5 sevens are 35. 5 threes are 15. Okay, means 17 upon 36 pi radian. And therefore 85 degree, which is equals to 17 pi upon 36 radian. Next, 250 degree. We know that x degree, which is equals to x into pi upon 180 radian. To convert degree measure into radian measure, we have to multiply given angle by pi upon 180. So given angle is 250 degree, which is equals to 250 into pi upon 180 radian, which is equals to 5 5s are 25, 5 0 0, 5 3s are 15, carry 3, 5 6 are 30. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, and here 25. So 25 pi upon 18 radian. So 250 degree, which is equals to 25 pi upon 18 radian. Next example is minus 132 degree. Again, we know that to convert degree measure into radian measure, multiply given angle by pi upon 180. So the given angle is minus 132 degree, which is equals to minus 132 into pi upon 180 radian, which is equals to this minus sign as it is. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. 200. Again minus 66 upon 90 pi radian, which is equals to minus sign as it is, again divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 300 pi. Again 11 pi upon 15 radian, because we divide numerator and denominator by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and here 15 2s are 30, and therefore minus 132 degree, which is equals to minus 11 pi upon 15 radian. Next example is 65 degree 30 minutes. Here we know that we know that 1 degree, which is equals to 60 minutes, and therefore 1 minute, which is equals to 1 upon 60 degree. Here 1 degree, which is equals to 60 minutes, and therefore 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 degree. So we have given that 65 degree and 30 minutes. So 65 degree, here we add this minutes, and 30 minutes. First we have to convert these minutes into degree. That's why now we are going to multiply this 30 by 1 upon 60 degree. So here 65 degree as it is, plus 30 minutes, which is equals to 30 upon 60 degree, which is equals to 65 degree plus 30 60 means 31s are 30, 32s are 60 degree, and which is equals to 65 into 2, this, plus 1 as it is, divided by 2. Sixty-five 2s are 130 plus 1 upon 2 degree, which is equals to 131 upon 2, which is in degree, and therefore 65 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to 131 upon 2 degree. Now we have to convert this degree into radian. So multiply this by pi upon 180. (65 degree 30 minutes), which is equals to 131 divided by 2 into pi upon 180 radian, which is equals to 131 pi upon 360 radian. And therefore 65 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to 131 pi upon 360 radian. Next example is 75 degree 30 minutes. Again, we know that to convert degree into radian, for that we have to multiply the given angle by pi upon 180 and 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, and therefore 1 minute, which is equals to 1 upon 60 degree. We are going to use this conversion here. So first we have to convert these given 30 minutes into degree. So 75 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to 75 degree plus 30 minutes is equals to 75 degree plus 30 upon 60 degree, which is equals to 75 degree plus 1 upon 2 degree. Then which is equals to 75 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 degree. 75 twos are 150 plus 1 upon 2 in degree. Therefore 151 upon 2 degree. And to convert this degree into radian, 151 upon 2 multiply the given angle by pi upon 180 radian, which is equals to 151 pi 2 into 180 is 360 radian, and therefore 75 degree 30 minutes, which is equals to 151 pi upon 360 radian. Next example is 40 degree 48 minutes. Now first we have to convert this given 48 minutes into degree. We know that to convert degree into radian, we have to multiply given angle by pi upon 180 and 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore 1 minute, which is equals to 1 upon 60 degree. Therefore 40 degree 48 minutes, which is equals to 40 degree plus 48 minutes. 40 degree plus 48 upon 60 degree, since 1 minute is equals to 1/60 degree, and therefore 48 minutes means 48/60 degree, which is equals to 40 degree plus. Here 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 60. So 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are any degree, 12 5s are 60. Here we consider divided by 1. Then cross multiply this, we get 40 into 5 plus this 4 into 1 divided by 1 into 5 in degree. 45s are 200 plus 4/5 degree, which is equals to 20/5 in degree. And to convert this degree into radian, we have to multiply the given angle by pi/180. 204/5 into pi/180 radian. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, we get 102, and here we get 90. Again dividing by 2, here we get 51, here we get 45. So in numerator we get 51 pi. 51 pi upon, in denominator we get 5 into 45, which is equals to 225 radian. Therefore 40 degree 48 minutes, which is equals to 51 pi upon 225 radian. तुम्ही जर अजून चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर प्लीज लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि आपल्या फ्रेंड्ससोबत आपला चॅनल नक्की शेअर करा. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. थँक्यू.